Experiencing issues receiving texts on Tesco Mobile? It's a common problem, often linked to how modern messaging protocols like RCS and iMessage interact with the network. As a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, using the O2 network, Tesco Mobile relies on O2's infrastructure, so network hiccups can impact text delivery. RCS, Rich Communication Services, is the upgrade to SMS, offering features like read receipts and better media sharing, but it requires both sender and receiver to have compatible devices and carrier support. iMessage, Apple's messaging service, uses data but falls back to SMS when texting non-iMessage users. These handoffs between protocols, combined with potential network glitches or incorrect settings on your phone, are the primary reasons for missing texts. First, perform a network reset. On Android, go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. This clears temporary network data and forces your phone to reconnect. On iPhone, it's Settings General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Next, ensure RCS is enabled in your messaging app, usually Google Messages on Android. If you're an iPhone user having issues with text from Android phones, try toggling iMessage off and on again in Settings, Messages. If problems persist, make sure your phone's software is up to date. Eject and reinsert your SIM card to ensure a proper connection. As a last resort, contact Tesco Mobile support for a potential SIM card replacement, as a faulty SIM can also cause text delivery problems.